Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Oh Meow Easy English, where learning English is simple, fun, and friendly. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's such a pleasure to be here again today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you, Daniel. The sky is clear and blue, and I've got a warm cup of tea beside me, so I'm very happy. How about you?
I'm great too. I went for a walk this morning, and the weather was just perfect.
That sounds wonderful. A walk is the perfect way to start the day.
It really is. It puts me in a good mood and gets me ready for our chat.
I'm glad to hear that. And today we have a cheerful and uplifting topic to share.
Ooh, I'm curious now. What's today's topic?
Today, we're talking about our favorite English words.
That's such a great idea. I love words, especially easy ones, right, for our beginner friends.
Yes, of course. Simple, positive words, the kind that make you smile.
Perfect. I already have a few in mind. But before we jump in, let's say a quick hello to our community.
Absolutely. To everyone listening, if you enjoy our podcast, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll always know when a new episode is out.
Yes, and share our channel with your friends and family because learning together is always better.
Exactly. Okay, let's begin. Do you want to go first or should I?
You can go start, Paul. What's one of your favorite English words?
All right, I'll start with a classic, the word happy.
Aha, happy. I love that one. Happy. Even the sound of it feels bright.
It really does. It's both a word and a feeling, a lovely one. Whenever I see or say it, I instantly feel a little lighter.
Same here. You can't say happy with a sad face. It's almost impossible.
For me, happy looks like the color yellow, warm and sunny.
That's beautiful. For me, happy sounds like laughter, the sound of friends having fun together.
That's a perfect image. I also think of my dog wagging his tail when he sees me. That's pure happiness.
Oh, that's adorable. Animals are experts at being happy for no reason.
Exactly. Sunshine, music, good company, that's happiness.
A lovely word to begin with, Emma. Great choice.
Thank you. All right, your turn, Daniel. What's your first favorite word?
My first word goes perfectly with yours. Smile.
Smile. Oh, that's a beautiful one.
It is. S-M-I-L-E. When you're happy, you smile. And when you smile, others feel happy too.
That's true. A smile is free and universal. It means the same thing everywhere.
Yes, it's a small gesture that can brighten someone's day. Even a stranger's smile can make you feel warm inside.
It really can. A smile says, hello, I'm friendly. It connects people.
And you can even hear a smile in someone's voice, like when they talk on the phone.
That's so true. I can hear your smile right now, Daniel.
Thank you, Emma. Smiling is beautiful. It lights up your face and your heart.
What a perfect choice.
Thank you. Okay, back to you, Emma.
All right, my next favorite word is family.
Ah, family. Such a powerful word.
Yes, for me, it means love, support, and home. The people who know you best and love you anyway.
Beautifully said. Family is comfort, the people you can always be yourself with.
Exactly. And sometimes family isn't just the people you're related to. It can also be your close friends.
That's a lovely thought. Family is connection, laughter, and shared memories.
It is. It's a warm, loving word.
I agree. Wonderful choice.
Thanks. Now it's your turn.
My next word is beautiful.
Ugh, how perfect. Even saying it feels beautiful.
Exactly. It describes so many things. A beautiful day, a beautiful flower, a beautiful soul.
For me, sunsets are the most beautiful. All those colors blending in the sky.
Oh yes, and sunrise too, the soft beginning of a new day.
I also think kindness is beautiful. A beautiful heart, not just a beautiful face.
That's true. Beautiful can describe feelings, actions, or moments, anything that touches your heart.
Well said. It's a word full of light and appreciation.
Thank you. Okay, my turn. And this one's very simple. Water.
Water. Interesting choice. Tell me more.
Well, water is life. We all need it. But I also love how it sounds, soft and calm.
It really does have a peaceful sound, like the ocean or rain on the window.
Exactly. It's simple, pure, and refreshing. A glass of water on a hot day feels amazing.
Yes, and it's beautiful to look at too. The movement of waves or a quiet river.
Right. It's gentle but powerful. That's why I love it.
Great choice, Paul. All right, my next word is music.
Oh, I love that one. Who doesn't love music?
Exactly. There's music for every emotion. Happy, sad, excited, calm.
True. When I need energy, I play something fast. When I want to relax, I choose something soft.
Same here. Music changes my mood completely, like magic.
It really is magic. And it speaks every language.
Yes, you don't have to understand the words. You can feel the emotion.
I love listening to music when I cook or drive. It makes everything better.
Me too. Life without music would be very quiet and a little dull.
Exactly. Music is life and emotion in sound.
Beautifully said. Okay, what's your next one?
My next word is kind.
Oh, that's one of my favorites too.
It is. I think it's one of the most important words we have. Being kind means caring about others and their feelings.
Yes, a kind word or a kind gesture can make someone's whole day.
Exactly. Like saying, you did great, or you look nice today. Small things, big impact.
It costs nothing to be kind, but it can mean everything to someone else.
So true. The world could use more kindness.
It's a gentle, hopeful word and a way to make life better.
Perfectly said. Okay, my next word is book.
Book. Ah, a quiet friend.
Exactly. A book is like a door. Open it and you can go anywhere.
Yes, you can travel through time, meet new people, learn new things, all from your chair.
I love that feeling. And even the smell of a new book, wonderful.
Same here. Reading is peaceful. Just me, a book, and maybe a cup of tea.
That sounds perfect. Books are treasures, full of stories and ideas.
They really are.
Okay, your last word, Emma.
All right, my final isn't just one word. It's two. Thank you.
Oh, that's lovely. Two small words with so much meaning.
Exactly. They show respect, gratitude, and kindness. They say, I see you and I appreciate you.
And they make both people feel good, the one who says it and the one who hears it.
Yes, you can use it for big things or small things. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for being my friend.
It's such a warm phrase, polite, friendly, and full of love.
We can never say it too much.
I agree. Thank you is a gift in words.
Exactly. Okay, what's your final word, Daniel?
My last word is dream.
Ah, what a perfect way to end.
Thank you. I love this word because it has two meanings, the ones we see when we sleep and the ones we chase in life.
Yes, our sleeping dreams, funny, strange, or beautiful stories in our minds.
Exactly. And then the other kind, our hopes and goals for the future.
Like, my dream is to travel the world.
Right. Dreams give us motivation and purpose.
They make life exciting and full of possibilities.
Yes. To me, dream is a word filled with imagination and hope.
A wonderful final choice.
Thank you. So our list today was happy, smile, family, beautiful, water, music, kind, book, thank you, and dream.
What a perfect set of positive words.
This was such a fun and heartwarming chat.
It really was. It's nice to slow down and think about simple, meaningful words.
Yes, you don't need difficult English to say something beautiful.
That's a wonderful reminder for all our listeners. Simple English is beautiful English.
Exactly. Well, our time is almost up for today. I really enjoyed this, Emma.
Me too, Daniel. It made me feel really happy.
And thank you to everyone who joined us.
Yes, thank you all so much. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and subscribe to Oh Meow Easy English so you never miss an episode.
Yes. And share our channel with your friends and family because learning together is always better.
Exactly. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and find the words that inspire you.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.